if you're doing $500 million, probably BigCommerce and Shopify ain't gonna do it either. Let's talk about the types of products you sell and the best e-commerce platforms for the types of products you sell.
Sure.
Now, if I'm trying to customize a product, let's say I sell subscription, let's say I sell vitamins, and every month I want to do an auto ship. Or I want to have a custom product where people upload stuff and I need to see a preview, like let's say I sell business cards and I want to have a Vistaprint kind of functionality. How do you determine then what the best platform should be?
So in terms of something like that, like the business cards and Vistaprint type stuff, it really depends on the customization, what you're trying to accomplish here. Out of the box, a lot of these don't really like service those. So when you have customizations and you're trying to do stuff that's really outside of that, that's when you run to call in a developer or call in an agency for help. So we definitely have a lot of cases where we've helped out people do a lot of different use cases. Optimum 7 is definitely well versed in what comes out of the box and then what is customizable. We know firsthand that you're definitely going to need some help when it comes to that kind of stuff.
Yep. And we've built over 700 of these functionalities. You can actually go to the navigation or go to optimum7.com/custom-programming, and you can see all these functionalities. The best e-commerce platform really depends on what your objectives are, what kind of product you sell, what kind of inventory management you use, what kind of integrations you're going to need, how many warehouses you have. I mean, if you're doing $500 million, probably BigCommerce and Shopify ain't gonna do it either. You have to go with something custom, enterprise.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.